Hi, I'm Alex. I'm the owner of AFG Services and partner at CAA Carpentry, and I want to share with you my experience with Intrim's Fast Trim prescribed skirting board system. At AFG Services, we have a reputation for delivering quality, stylish homes, and I'm always looking for that X factor that my clients love. I don't need to advertise. All my work's generated from word of mouth, so it's really important that when selecting suppliers, I pick companies that make my life simple. Intrim is easy to deal with and delivers quality products that I can rely on. That's why when I first heard of Intrim's Fast Trim, I thought, wow, that's excellent. On a job like this where I had 230 mil tall skirtings, I would have had to have cut at least 50 detailed scribe by hand. That's a lot of time, and time is our most important commodity. And being able to order machine pre-scribed skirtings was not only quicker, but delivered a quality finish that would easily take 3 times as long to do by hand. Working with the team at Intrim Mouldings made ordering Fast Trim simple. They took the house plans and did a free takeoff to determine the skirting board requirements and cutting list. This free service saved me the time of doing it myself, and I worked out that paying the scribe cutting fee was well worth it. The team at Intrim worked out what would be best for me. This is where the personalized service came into its own. I decided to order a scribe at the end of each 5.4 meter length, instead of using the standard cut-to-length fast trim service. This gave me the flexibility that I needed for my first fast trim order. Using the fast trim system saved me days of installation time on site, which saved me money on labor and helped me finish the project quicker to move on to my next client. I would recommend Intrim Fast Trim to any builder or carpenter who works with decorative skirting boards. The time I saved and the quality of finish is well worth it. The team at Intrim provides a service, product range, and quality that ensures I deliver the end result my clients expect and that my reputation relies on.